Stop. Before you order that $25 pizza this week, I want you to imagine something crazy. What if I told you that same $25 could grow into $823,000 and pay you $5,200 every month for the rest of your life? Most people laugh at this. How can pizza money turn into a lifetime paycheck? But here's the truth. Wealth isn't built by big jumps. It's built by tiny decisions repeated consistently. Every millionaire you know started with small amounts. Every $25 you spend today could be a tiny employee working for you tomorrow. The question is simple. Are you hiring your money or firing it every Friday night with takeout apps? Let me show you two friends. Alex orders pizza every week. Sam invests that same $25. Fast forward 30 years. Alex has extra crust. Sam has $823,000. That's not magic. That's math. That's compounding. Before you hit order now, let's hit invest now. Myth-busting wealth. People think you need a six-figure salary to get rich. You don't. People think you need crypto, meme stocks, or hot picks. You don't. The truth is simple. The average millionaire in America drives a Toyota, not a Lamborghini. Most of them are first-generation wealthy, meaning they built it from nothing. And Kevin O'Leary says if you build a $500,000 portfolio, you can retire comfortably. But here's the secret no one tells you. The system that gets you there is way simpler than you think. My real-world test. No hype, no luck. I'm not reading from a teleprompter. I tested this myself. I started with $3,000. Every week, I added $25. The same amount people waste on fast food, Netflix, subscriptions, and impulse buys. My account didn't explode. It grew like a tree, slow, steady, and unstoppable once the roots formed. Every dividend feels like a tiny paycheck that proves the system works. No hype, no gambling, just boring, beautiful wealth building. Step 1. Build your financial fortress. Before you invest anything, you need armor. Think of your finances like a castle. You don't build golden towers before you build walls. Your emergency fund is your wall. At least $2,000 for flat tires, medical bills, surprises. Then destroy any debt above 20% interest. Paying off a 25% credit card is like earning a guaranteed 25% return. Once your fortress is strong, then we invest. The secret wealth engine, DRIP. Now we unlock the secret weapon. DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Here's how it works. You own a stock. It pays you cash. Instead of spending it, DRIP automatically buys you more shares. More shares, bigger dividends, more shares. That cycle repeats forever. Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world for a reason. Example, 10 shares of a $100 stock paying 4% gives you $40. DRIP buys you 0.4 shares. Next year, you earn dividends on 10.4 shares, not 10. Repeat for decades. And suddenly your $25 a week habit becomes rocket fuel, feeding the machine. Every week, add $25. That's it. This is called dollar cost averaging. Sometimes you buy high, sometimes low, but you're always in the game. You don't need timing. You need time. $25 is one pizza, 2 coffees, 1 Uber. In exchange, you're buying freedom, the kind where your money pays your bills. Your Wealth Squad, the 5-stock blueprint. Here are your 5 reliable soldiers. 1. NextEra Energy, NEE. Clean energy giant. 11% dividend growth. 2. Starbucks, SBUX. People run on caffeine. 16% annual dividend growth. 3. Abbott Labs, ABT. Healthcare never goes out of style. Dividend Aristocrat. 4. Home Depot, HD. Homes always need repairs. 18% dividend growth. 5. NOBLETF. Your Shield. 64 companies with 25 plus years of rising dividends. They're boring, predictable, powerful. These aren't hype stocks, they're wealth machines. The numbers that shock. Let's look at what $25 per week really does. 10 years, $27,000. 20 years, $145,000. 30 years, $823,000. And that final number, it can pay around $5,280 per month in dividends. That's rent, groceries, bills, freedom, all from pizza money. The cost of waiting. Wait 1 year, and you lose around $50,000 in future returns. Procrastination is expensive. The best time to plant a tree was 30 years ago. The second best time, right now. Action plan. Do this today. Here's your blueprint. 1. Build a $2,000 emergency fund. 2. Destroy high-interest debt. 3. Choose your 5-stock squad. 4. Turn on DRIP. 5. Invest $25 every week. No excuses. 6. Let time do the heavy lifting. Your future self is counting on you. If you learned something today, hit subscribe. Not for me. For the version of you 10 years from now. Because your pizza money isn't just snacks. It's the first brick of your financial freedom. Start today. Stay consistent. And remember, small money decisions create big life freedom. Start your compounding story now, before it's too late.